Hey, welcome to day number 89 of this 100-day video challenge. Today was a day out, and I took with me on our trip outside my new mini drone from DJI, the Mavic Mini, and got to know it a little bit. Went for 2 test flights, which were pretty neat. So I got this drone to be able to shoot some aerial footage of the sailing trip coming up and next month. And it's just a big difference if you shoot your own videos for marketing purposes and your own footage to be able to add that aerial dimension that a drone is able to do. And the drone technology today is so advanced, so easy for the user, and it's incredible to have that experience and be able to add that professionality to videos. So we came home late today. It's 10 past midnight, so I was not able to upload any of the footage I did today. So I'll try to do that the next couple days. And then load one of those footages up here as well. But it's really fun flying the drone and taking these aerial shots. So looking forward to share more in that direction with you. Yeah, so that was my update for today, and I hope you have or had a good day as well. And I will then see you tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.